Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel at kung bago ka ay welcome din. Ayan, for today's video and I'm gonna show you guys my new pangkilay. Ayan, that one thing makes our personal physical appearance confidence. Bear with me guys. Today guys, I decided to use voiceover on my video because it's a bit noisy now here with us. As you can see guys, ayan, there's nothing beautiful in my eyebrow. Anyway guys, here we are. Here is the product I am telling you about. It includes small spoolie, in here what it looks like. Bear with the color of my nail polish guys. Actually it's not nail polish, it's a hair color. Actually guys, this is the first time I have used styling brow soap. I really don't know guys if there's another one much better than this product, but I think this is good for the beginners like me, using this kind of eyebrow shaping, eyebrow gel, eyebrow soap. Look at this guys. Ayan. Napaka-natural niya kung tingnan, diba? What we need to do is follow the strand of our eyebrow. That's it guys. Ayan. Look at the difference guys. It's look much better than the other one. I am right or I am right? I think guys, it's a better idea if you wanna look more natural your eyebrows using brow soap than to eyeliner. Look at this guys, it looks so natural. Isn't it look much better guys? What do you think? Now let's do the other one guys.
Moments later.
Yo, what's up? Yo, we're hosting tonight. You free? Yeah.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you. About you, you, you. About you, you,
Before I end this video, guys, I wanna show you the 2 colors that I bought in Shopee. I bought it in Shopee, guys, and if you wanna know the link, please check on my description box. I will put it there so you can easily connect to the site where I bought it. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked my video today, and if you like my video, guys, please, I wanna ask some of your likes, and please don't forget to bell my subscription button to notify you on my next one. Again, guys, thank you for watching, and hope you like this eyebrow tutorial tips, and God bless you all. Bye for now.